Welcome my good people to another DIY video. So today we're going to install a door right over here. This is my first time installing a door. So bear with me. If you see anything that should have been done a different way, let me know because I love that. And as you do that, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. That way we can continue to do what we do. It's important to make sure the doorway is leveled. That way, if it's not, you can adjust as you install the door. As you're screwing it in, you have to keep on checking, keep on measuring it, make sure it's leveled, because if it's not, after you finish the installment, you won't be able to open and close the door. So it's important that the door is leveled as you screwing it in, and you have to keep on checking over and over again. All the way level. Now let's see if I did it right. Woo-woo. Perfect. No complaint over here. That's what's up. Wow. I mean, for a first, it's pretty good, huh? Thanks again for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. That way you don't miss any of our other videos.